Okay, this is the last video of the day, guys. So good morning again. And the key concept is we are finding the formulas of the polygon or the 3D figure, and we are finding the surface area of cylinder, cone and sphere. That's what we did since now. So do you understand how are the areas of polygons used to find the surface area formula for three-dimensional figures? So go ahead and write along with me. The surface area, I'll just write SA. SA is surface area of the three, okay, this is our dimensional figure is found by adding the areas of its two dimensions dimension face, dimensional AL face, faces of a rectangle, like rectangle has up, down, back, front, left, right faces. You remember I taught you in the class. Okay, the second question, why is the length of the base of the rectangle the same as the circumference of a circle in the net of a cylinder? So the length of the base of the rectangle will wrap around the outside of the circle in the net showing that there's no full stop, showing the base length is equal to the circumference of the circle. Okay, so this is what it is. Now we'll go to the third. Aaron says that all the cones with the base circumference of 8 pi inches will have the same surface area. Whenever they are talking about the base means circle, circumference, okay? But if the base is same, the cone height matters. So it won't be the same. The area of the bases will be the same, but different height will produce cones with different surface area. Okay, so this is it. Now they're asking us to solve the questions. Find the surface area of a cylinder. Here they're asking to use 3.14 as a pi. So of course the surface area of cylinder, you can write cylinder. First always write the formula so you're not making any mistake. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Okay, so 2 times pi, they told to use 3.14. R is given, the diameter is given as 2. When the hole is given, that means it's the diameter. If diameter is 2, radius is half of it, which is 1 square plus 2 times 3.14 times 1 times h is 10. So now if you do 1 square is 1, 1 times 3.14 is 3.14, and 3.14 times 2 is equal to 6.28 plus. So you do 2 times 3.14, which is 6.28 times 1 is 6.28 times 10 is 62.8. If you add this both, you get 69.08. Now this 8 will make this 0 as 1. So your answer is 69.1. The unit of measurement is mm. So I'll write mm square. So this is absolutely your answer. 69.1 millimeter square. Okay. Make sure you round it up to the nearest tenth because they have told us to do so. Okay, the second question. Find the surface area of the cone with the nearest 10. Again, we have to round up, and this time we are using 3.14 as pi. So first we should know this surface area of cone. I'll write C for cone is equal to pi r square. There is only one circle here, so it's one circle, plus pi r l. So pi is 3.14. R, if you see, they have given us the r as 3. So I'll write 3 square plus again pi is 3.14 times 3, and the slanting height is this. So it is 4. So 3 square is 9. 9 times 3.14 is 28.26. Guys, at this point, you're not supposed to round it up to the nearest tenth, right? Whatever numbers you get, 3, 4, 5 digit, you write all the numbers. At the end, you're supposed to round it up. Okay, so 3.14 times 3 times 4. If you do it on your calculator, you get 37.68. If you add them up, you get 65.9 feet square. Okay, good. Thank you. If you understood it, I appreciate it. Last is, what is the surface area of a sphere? So surface area of sphere, formula is 4 pi r square. Now they told us to write in terms of pi. That means we are not supposed to use pi as any number. So pi will be pi. And if you see, they told the diameter is 2. If the diameter is 2, that means radius is 1 because it is half. So we are looking only at the half part, which is 1. So 4 times, this is where students can make mistake, and you have to avoid that mistake, times 1 square. So 1 square is 1, times 4 is 4. So your answer is 4 pi. Unit is centimeter. So centimeter square. I hope you understood this lesson. Only for the cone, make sure you're using Pythagorean theorem whenever you see this kind of questions. You can use this as A, this as B, and find the C. Many times they don't give you the slant height and you need to find it, but this both measurements will be given, so that is only the thing in the homework you will have problem. Other than that, if you read this or understood this, you should not have any problem. Best of luck for your homework, guys. Next two pages as usual, 421 and 22 is your homework. Bye.